name is Jeremy Daysant from Paradise. This is me. That's my farm. And that's my life. That is how I operate. Basically, I will say the biogas system works because number one, it helps cut costs, and it's another child and another pig on my farm. But it helped me cut costs because before I used to use every month I have to buy 2 cylinders. Now I don't buy at all. So it cut my costs. Well, and it's cooked good. It's very good. It's good. It's good. So I encourage anybody to get a biogas system. Basically, I take care of my biogas system the way how I take care of any one of my animals on the farm. Because that is another one of my pig on the farm. So basically I get up, I feed my system, I pick up my mess, I feed my system, feed it. When I don't feed, I store, I make sure I manage my, basically good management. And so long as you manage properly, just as feeding your pigs, taking care of your animals. So the same way, you gotta take care of them. Very simple. 15-20 minutes and you're perfect. When I stir, I increase my gas production. Because if I don't stir, the layer on top gets hard, so it slows down the process of my gas. So when I stir, I increase, so I get all my gas. All the use of my gas, I get it. So you must stir. Well, before I had the biogas system, I used to pick up pig mess, just throw it there, can't get the plants, but because of the biogas system, everything's worked perfect. So from the pig pen in the biogas system, when it come out, my waste is manual. So I apply it straight to my bags. Before that I couldn't do that. And it's a good helping the health because the place don't smell anymore. The place is perfect. So anybody, I live on my farm, try the biogas system. So I'm separating the liquid from the solid. So when I pour in my stuff here, liquid come here, solid stay on top, and so far so good because it's a good form of money. Everything goes back in the land, solid and liquid. One of the benefits of using a biogas system, it keeps away flies and the scent, because from the time somebody tell you have a pig pen there, you should know because you know what you're smelling. But with the biogas system, you have less scent, actually no scent, and less flies. Neighbors don't complain. Actually, I live on my farm, in my pen. One of the reasons why I say the biogas is very helpful to me. Before I used to use firewood. In the firewood, the heat was too strong. So sometimes when I do in buds, other 100 I might lose 20 because the water too hot. But with the biogas system, I control my heat. So with that, I lose sometimes 1 or sometimes none at all. So it controls my heat and it helps in my production. Before I also pay somebody to get firewood when I'm doing my buds. Right now I don't. Biogas works for me because I don't have to pay nobody. And I have a dryer, I could dry anything, mangoes, I dry pork, and I cook. In my kitchen, that is what I use. So basically, it is the best way to go. Simple. I could cook inside every day, whole day, as long as I want. I don't have to worry about buying gas because I have free gas. The biogas gives me gas. So as long as I take care of it, I could cook. I don't worry about buying LPG, I have free gas, biogas. Anybody who don't believe me and they want to see for themselves, it's free. Just come, call me a day or 2 and I give them a whole tour and show them the whole thing how it's works with no cost.